Sabi niya guys, i-wrap ko daw yan. Gift ko para sa kanya. Sabi ko, alam mo na kung ano yung gift ko. Sabi niya, okay lang daw para may open daw kami sa Christmas. Alright, ayan na yung ano niya, gupit. Bagong tabas. Bagong tabas. Good morning guys! Alis kami ngayon at tignan mo, ngayon lang umihi. Yeah. Ngayon lang siya umihi.
Come on.
Ang kulit.
Get inside, come on.
Bilis na. Hala, magtai. Oh, she's gonna
Kinsley, I don't have time. Let's go. Get in.
Alis kasi kami. Pupunta kami ng salon. Magpapagupit si Travis. Ang Kinsley nagpasaway. Nagpahabol. Dali na. Pasok na. Why did she go there? So, pupunta kami ngayon ng store. Titingnan namin kung may mga deals sila, 'di ba? Wala akong pasok ngayon Saturday ngayon, guys. So, punta muna kami ng salon and we'll see you later sa store. Kasi saglit lang din naman yung gupit ni Travis. Nandito na kami, guys, nag-aantay kasi meron pa siyang what did she said? Kasi meron pa siyang ginugupitan. So, nagantay kami sa labas. Kasi per appointment yun. So,
Yeah,
gantay muna kami.
Waiting.
Kita natin ang bagong gupit ni Travis mamaya. And after this, where are we going?
Home Depot a minute. And
Wala ba't Home Depot na naman?
Yeah, I need to get some stuff and then
Ba't Home Depot na naman?
this Home Depot here.
Okay, and then we'll go to other store.
Yeah.
So yun, tatapusin muna namin ang haircut ni Travis and then punta tayo ng store later.
A few moments later.
Alright, ayan na yung niya, gupit. Bagong
Did I mess
tabas.
my hair up?
Bagong tabas. You going to buy what?
I need to buy the stuff for the roof.
Kasi palagi siyang nasa attic, no? Favorite niya na yung attic. Why are you always in the attic? You're talking to someone there?
Yeah, I'm making sure that the house isn't going crazy.
So tara, punta tayo ng Home Depot. What? Where are we going? Punta kami Home Depot. Ha?
Let me
Let's go.
jump on the app real quick.
Sa Home Depot tayo, guys. Let's go. Ano gusto mo? What did you want?
You can buy me the Milwaukee.
Milwaukee. $400 na Milwaukee gusto niya.
You have the chainsaw on sale? That's a little one.
Di naman siya on sale nakalagay.
Ooh.
I'll buy you this, babe. I'll buy you this. $10.
You buy this one and get this one free.
Where?
Look, free blower.
Really?
Yeah.
Do you need that? Do you need that? Really? Huh?
Maybe. Hang on, what is it? I need,
Nandito kami sa Home Depot. Nagtitingin-tingin lang, pero mukhang mapapabili.
thinking man.
Bibilak sa'yo. Hindi ko alam kung anong hinahanap namin, guys. Sure na.
Coding.
Ano to? Roof saver. Roll roofing like this?
It's gonna be here, actually. This is,
Is that what you need?
I wanted the flash cement. Hang on.
Gusto ko ulit pumunta sa may Christmas decoration section nila, no? Pero sobrang dami ko ng decoration. Baka magantay na lang ako after Christmas pag nag-clearance. Para for next year. So pag nasa Home Depot kami, guys, dito siya nagtatagal. Dito yan siya nagtatagal mag-shopping. Ito yung mga paborito ng mga asawa natin. Paboritong store. Yan, katulad ng Home Depot. Ano pa yung isa, babe? Like Home Depot? Lowe's ba yun? Home Depot, Lowe's.
It's the same.
Tapos, what is the other one? For guy store? Where you buy
Harbor Freight.
Harbor Freight, mga ganyan. Yan yung mga favorite store nila. Gusto niya, kailangan niya daw nito, guys. Sale ba yan?
Look at yeah, it was $100.
Mga nag-sale nga.
Yeah, this is the good kind. This is how you.
You want it?
I do need one for like the vehicles and stuff.
Okay.
I don't have a torque wrench.
Then grab it.
Yeah. Are you gonna wrap it for me?
You already know it.
Are you buying this for me? Oh.
Mukha. Ang mukha ni Travis. Nabudol na naman ako ni Travis. Yun. Kesa naman yung 400, no babe?
Huh?
Kesa naman yung $400 na Milwaukee.
Look at only $53. That was $100 wrench.
Really? This one?
$100. Yeah.
That's cool.
It's normally $100.
Tapos may military discount siya.
Yeah, $6. An additional $6 on. So we literally pay. What we got like?
Okay,
Please
punta na tayo
remove
sa
your
car.
card.
Babe,
Baka
I know.
mapagastos pa. Sabi niya, guys, i-wrap ko daw yan. Gift ko para sa kanya. Sabi ko, alam mo na kung ano yung gift ko. Sabi niya, okay lang daw para may open daw kami sa Christmas.
If
Kalokohan
I need
mo,
it from
Travis.
between here and Christmas, I'll just go open it.
And then wrap it again after you use it.
Yeah. That's one thing I didn't have that I needed though. I was always using Kevin's.
Really?
Yeah.
I thought you have one.
So you're like when I like change anything like
Uh-huh.
the tires and stuff,
I thought you have one though. Where are we going, babe?
wherever you want to go now.
Okay guys, nandito naman tayo sa Marshall. Magtitingin-tingin lang. Tingin lang, walang bili ha. Hey, we will just look, okay? But we're not gonna buy, okay?
Hey look, it's like CRV.
Babe, we will just look.
T-Mobile, babe, because I want to go get rid of my phone. Baby
Dito
stuff.
agad tayo sa may toys. Oh, may pang Christmas na sila.
What do you need to send home?
Hala, look at this.
Hey, look,
What is this? For Santa.
the big one.
Yeah. Are these all the sale?
Mm-hmm.
Oh my gosh, babe, look at this. How much is this? Hindi ko alam kung sale to mga to. Gift sack. Oh, look at that, babe. Meron silang mga pang
Oh look, they got karaoke you could send to your
Karaoke.
family. Oh, it's only
It's a
one though.
Bluetooth. How much is this? But they don't put the price though.
Yeah, it's right there.
I don't think that's a
It's
clearance.
$12.
Kirain mo pa.
$12.
Ang dami nila
It's
dito
all
pang
on
mga ano,
clearance.
guys. Magtingin tayo mga jacket din.
Crap.
Ang dami. For gifts.
Yeah. Is it like an additional?
I'm not sure. What is that? Coin jar?
Yeah, digital coin jar. Look at ramen.
Parang nabilan ko. Ay, hindi pala ganito yung nabili ko kay Travis.
Ramen bowl. Oh, okay. I could return the other one.
What is that?
$12. Get this. I could get old boy the multi-tool.
No, that's only $12.
So
We have $20.
but it's originally 18.
Nah. Yung mga jacket nila, guys. Tingin tayo mamaya dun sa kabila. Di ba, grabe exercise na natin ngayon. Hey, look. Ayan, nandito naman tayo sa Ross. So dito yung mga store na gusto kong yung mga pag-shoppingan, ayan, kasi mga mumura lang. Hindi naman kasi ako, hindi ako mahilig sa mga mamahalin. Nang hinayang ako ba. Depende na lang sa gamit na bibilhin. O hiring sila, guys.
Thanks.
Thank you.
Thanks.
O, diba? Andito tayo. Tignan nyo. Yung mga bag nila. Hindi ako marunong tumingin kung totoong bag. Ano ba siya brand. Ganda oh. Hindi rin kasi ako mahilig sa mga branded na bag guys. Ayan tayo. Ang daming tao din.
It's the game you wanted to play, Jenga.
Oh, really?
You want to buy it?
We never play it.
Because we don't have it.
Right. Maybe we need to buy one. We'll go see some jackets. Yung tari, fluffy naman ito. Dito ako nakabili ng jacket, guys. Parang Marshall lang din siya. Pero hindi ko alam kung mas mura to sa Marshall. Yung si Tari sa likod. Nandito tayo sa pang
totally get
baby. This one?
We need some long
Ha?
2 to 3 months long sleeve.
For her?
Yeah, like 3 month long sleeve. That's 24. That's too old.
Grabe sa sobrang daming tao guys. O nagkagulo na yung mga laruan. Dito kami sa pang dog na ano.
I don't know.
Hanapan natin laruan si Kinsley. Ang laki ng Twix. Oh. Ito tayo sa mga laruan. Mga pagkain man to. Masarap to siya guys sa kape. Tikman ko na to eh. May tinda kami nito sa Walgreens. Ngayon naman punta tayo ng TJ Maxx. Katabi lang siya ng Ross. Hiring ulit guys. Hiring ulit ang TJ Maxx. Oh. Ang mga gift. Mga lotion guys. Gusto ko yung Nivea lotion eh. Baka bumili ako. $6. Hi guys! So, nakabili lang ako ng serum ko doon sa TJ Maxx. Sa Ross wala kaming binili kasi walang masyadong magagandang deal, no? And wala rin talaga kaming nagustuhan na bibilhin. So, nagpunta kami ng TJ Maxx tapos nakabila ko doon ng serum ko. Meron sila nung serum ko. Kasi sa Marshall wala sila nun.
Serum ko.
Oo, ayun lang kasi nag-ano sa akin eh. Parang gumagana sa mukha ko, no? Parang nag-work sa mukha ko. Tapos ngayon pupunta kami ng Coast Guard Exchange, guys. Magtitingin-tingin lang ulit. So, pag may nagustuhan, bibili kami na... Ay, dito pala kami bibili ng chips.
Oh.
So, yun lang, guys. We'll see you later. Tapos lang namin tingin sa Coast Guard Exchange and Travis bought me a present but he don't want me to use it yet.
No using it.
Grabe, ayaw na namin mag-shopping. Ayaw na namin mag-window shopping kaya napapabili talaga kami. Diba? So, we will go home now and then eat and then later mag-gym kami guys. So, ayun lang yung vlog natin for today. Thank you for watching. See you again next time. Bye!